Subscribe to VNV Travelers.
So today we are traveling from Thiruvananthapuram to Bangalore. So let's go. Completed security check, and here's our aircraft in the remote stand. VTTYC. So guys, finally we are proceeding to the aircraft. It's a remote stand, so we can take a lot of pics. That's our aircraft VTTYC. Here's our aircraft for the day, VTTYC. Aircraft for the day, guys, Vistara VTTYC. So guys, finally we are boarding. Let's get seated. View from the window.
भरने की प्रक्रिया जारी है, इसलिए सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वह अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें और कुर्सी की पेटी न बांधें। हम आपको याद
There's
कराना
also
चाहेंगे
USB
कि
type
जहाज पर
B charger
धूम्रपान
provided,
निषेध है। इस समय
and also
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण
phone
और
stand.
मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग न करें। धन्यवाद।
And the
Ladies
safety
and gentlemen,
instruction
as the
card.
aircraft is being refueled, please remain seated with seat belts unfastened. Smoking is not permitted throughout the flight. The use of mobile phones and other electronic equipment is not permitted while the aircraft is. हर मुख्य द्वार पर एक इवैक्यूएशन स्लाइड उपलब्ध है। फर्श पर लगी मार्गदर्शी बत्तियां आपात स्थिति में आपको नजदीकी निकास की दिशा दिखाएंगी। आपका नजदीकी निकास आपके पीछे की ओर भी हो सकता है। अपनी और दूसरों की सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपातकालीन स्थिति में विमान से निकलने से पूर्व अपना सारा सामान विमान में ही छोड़ दें। अधिक जानकारी के लिए कृपया सुरक्षा निर्देश पत्र पढ़ें जो आपके सामने की सीट पॉकेट में उपलब्ध है। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention, please? Your safety is our foremost concern, and we will now brief you on the safety features of this Vistara Airbus 320 aircraft. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Your seatbelt can be tightened by pulling the strap and loosened this way. To unfasten your seatbelt, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will deploy from the panel above you. Remain seated and pull the mask down sharply to start the oxygen flow. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your own mask is placed correctly before assisting others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. There are 2 doors at the rear, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the front of the aircraft. Each main door is equipped with an evacuation slide. Fluorescent strips fitted on the floor will guide you to the nearest exit in case of an emergency. Your closest emergency exit may be behind you. During evacuation, for your own safety and for the safety of others, you are required to leave your hand baggage in the aircraft. For more details, please refer to the safety instruction card kept in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you. आपकी कुर्सी के नीचे या कुर्सी के बगल में एक रक्षा जैकेट है। पानी में बचाव के समय इसे इस तरह पहने और कमर पर बांध ले। निकास पर लाल टैग खींचकर अपनी रक्षा जैकेट फुलाएं। यदि यह न फूले तो ट्यूब में फूंक कर हवा भरें। ओवरविंग से निकास करते समय रक्षा जैकेट को विमान से बाहर निकलकर ही फुलाएं। धन्यवाद। A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or next to your seat. In an unlikely event of a water evacuation, slip it over your head and secure straps around your waist. At the exit, pull the red tag to inflate your life vest. Should it fail to inflate, blow into the tube. If you are evacuating from the overwing exits, please inflate your life vest only after you have stepped onto the wing. Thank you.
देवियों सज्जनों, भारत सरकार के नियमानुसार इस विमान में धूम्रपान करना, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिगरेट्स का उपयोग और मदिरा पीना सख्त मना है। आपकी जानकारी के लिए विस्तारा की सभी उड़ानों में गुटखा जैसे तंबाकू पदार्थों का सेवन भी वर्जित है। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, Government of India regulations do not permit smoking, use of electronic cigarettes and the consumption of alcohol on board this aircraft. Vistara also does not permit the consumption of any chewing tobacco on board. Please note that smoke detectors are installed in all lavatories. Mobile phones and other small handheld electronic devices may be used at all times in flight mode. However, for your safety and the safety of those around you, Vistara does not permit the use of large electronic equipment such as laptops during taxi takeoff and landing. After takeoff, you may use these devices in flight mode once the portable electronic devices sign is turned off. As we prepare for takeoff, please ensure that your hand baggage is stored in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Your seatbelt is fastened, tray table is stored, seat back is upright and the window shades are open. Unauthorized usage or removal of any safety equipment including life vest and tampering with exit is not permitted as it will affect the safety of the aircraft. Non-compliance with these regulations may lead to penal action under government regulations. Thank you.
So bag under the seat, sir. Sir, your seatbelt.
Cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Ada
Coming through to your landing stations. Thank you.
Air India's brand new A350 lying there. VTJRP. This is a brand new terminal, that's the T2. We have landed on the second brand new runway.
प्रिय सज्जनों, बेंगलुरु के केंपागोड़ा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे में समय से पूर्व आपका स्वागत है। जो यात्री आगे का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सफर कर रहे हैं, उनसे निवेदन है कि वे हमारे ग्राउंड स्टाफ से संपर्क करें। बाहर का तापमान 34 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि कुर्सी की पेटी का संकेत बंद होने तक अपने निर्धारित स्थान पर ही बैठे रहें। ऊपर बने सामान कक्ष सावधानी से खोलें। सभी यात्री जो विस्तारा की अन्य उड़ानों से आगे सफर कर रहे हैं, उनसे निवेदन है कि वे हमारे ग्राउंड स्टाफ से संपर्क करें। हम आशा करते हैं कि आपकी यात्रा सुखद रही। विस्तारा और इस विमान की ग्रुप की ओर से हमारे साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। किसी भी प्रकार के फीडबैक के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट airvistara.com पर हमसे संपर्क करें। जो यात्री हमारे साथ UK 615 से देहरादून जा रहे हैं, उनसे निवेदन है कि वे अपने स्थान पर ही बैठे रहें। हमारा विमान कुछ ही समय में देहरादून के लिए उड़ान भरेगा। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, Vistara is pleased to announce an early arrival and welcomes you to Kempagoda International Airport. Customers with an international connection are requested to contact the ground staff upon arrival. The temperature outside is 34 degrees Celsius. You may now use your mobile phones. We request you to please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during the flight. Customers with onward connections on Vistara or our airline partners, please approach our ground staff for assistance on deplaning. Customers travelling onwards on UK 615 are requested to remain on board in your assigned seats. The aircraft will continue on to Dehradun after a short stop here. On behalf of Vistara and the crew of this flight, we thank you for choosing to fly with us and look forward to seeing you again soon. To share any feedback on your experience, please visit airvistara.com. Thank you.
Approach. It's an Indigo. Here is Air India's brand new Airbus 350. Its registration is VTJRB. Already we had made a review from Kempegowda International Airport to Hyderabad. The link will be in the I button. In the same aircraft. You can see Malaysia Airlines pushing back.
ಫೋನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
We have completed our journey from Thiruvananthapuram to Kempegowda International Airport T2. So now we are in the T2. So let's go outside and explore more. So anyway, thank you for watching the vlog, and the vlog will still be continued. Anyway, whoever has watched till here, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to enable the bell icon.